Right, I've got my guys through here now. This thing here hasn't recorded someone coming through the gate. The gate's been opened and there is no interaction on there. So, yeah. Who's been through here, I don't know. So, that thing's absolutely useless. Useless, isn't they? I could hear the soccer match today. I believe they're playing Wigan today. Right, so this thing's absolutely useless for a camera from eufy. It does not go off. And it detects the cat as a human. It also took a black cat on, so it's absolutely useless. It was 300 quid and they're useless. 2 cameras and a doorbell. 300 quid, absolutely useless. Bless your heart, you're hungry, aren't you? Oh, I love you. I can hear the soccer match over there. I was having a nap, bless his ears. You want some food, don't you? You want some food? I put the other stuff out earlier. What that's the chicken things that I cooked. And also I was waiting for Fluffy to turn up, but she hasn't showed. Right. So this thing doesn't go off unless you're right in the house. Oh, I've got some more chicken breast I cooked for you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Look at his face. Oh, no. Let's break this up for you. Let's break it up. There you go.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes. Can you work properly? You did not identify people coming into the house. What's going on? Oh, look at that, he's loving that. He's a loving this, he is. I'll save the other bit for later. Absolutely useless, this camera thing. I love you. Okay? We need to then. Oh, I love you. Oh, my God, yeah. Right. I hope you're all doing well or better than me. Yeah, I've been to sleep today. Was not doing too good. And tomorrow's the day. 29th today is 30 tomorrow. I'm going to hospital. Hopefully that horrible woman's not there again. Oh, I love you. What's up? Okay, this is the old CCTV. You see there we go there, we'll go into, let's go back into playback. Right, let's go. So you see they're all there now. I went to sleep around this time. I was exactly when the gate opened. So it's been activated with cats and everything else, but that eufy has not worked. Where's there? Let's find out when it went. Right. So it's around there somewhere. Camera 1. Let's see. This is recently and it hasn't shown up on the other one. Right. We have Fluffy. She was here just a moment ago, or a little while ago. I wasn't here. I feel terrible. She wasn't here. Right. It's confusing here. But this hasn't come up on the camera. And yet, it showed the other cat. This is curious. Right, we've got Fluffy here. She comes through the gate. The gate's not open. That's curious. Okay, so she came right to the door and I feel terrible. I was sleeping. I'm so sorry. Okay. Well, this is curious. There's no one human, no activities except for when I just came through the door now on the eufy camera. So it does not do anything. What can you do? Okay, so we got her coming into the place. The winds are quite strong. Did I latch the gate? No, I did latch the gate. That just opens on its own. It's not that windy. No. That gate was closed. I closed and latched that. Let's go back. Something we're not seeing. This doesn't. I latched that gate. I know I did. And she comes back again. What did I just miss then? What is going on? Something weird's going on. And she comes back again. By the gate. Stops, comes back. Oh, Fluffy. I'm so sorry, Fluffy. I'm really struggling. I'm bewildered to know how this gate's just opened on its own. Because I know the gate was latched. We're missing something here. I'd have to sit through and play all the way back. Good. Watch how quickly the sun goes when you go into night vision. Oh, there she's going back. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I went to sleep. We're still moving well, you know. I hope someone looks after us. But he is still coming here. And, right. Right, well. So I've not been to the gate since yesterday. That sun was so bright that it was doing my eyes in, gave me a migraine, so I tried to go back to sleep before I closed my eyes. Someone's been there, opened the gate. It's not triggered the thing. There's no way someone had to have been here. I can't find it. That's that now. It is dark. Okay. I believe it's dark. Let me turn the nonsense off. There you go. Oh dear. Well, that's that. So I couldn't do any better there. It's dark again now. Oh, fluffy and bow tie. Oh. Yes, it goes dark fast here. Oh. Do as best I physically can tomorrow. I've hospital appointments. I can see, hopefully not see that horrible woman again. Yes. Let's see if we have to do. Nope. Oh. So you do this, but you don't do that. Useless. Someone opened the gate and... Oh, bow tie. I love you. Sorry. Get some of the chicken and left the rest. Right. I wonder what happened with the match. I'm quiet anyway.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, be more effective at spotting things. You are missing things. Useless. What can you do?